heading out to the spectacular views on the northwest tip of Zakynthos for a much-anticipated experience. But it wouldn't be any fun if you could just snap your fingers and be there. The journey to the Navagio Beach Overlook is half the fun of the adventure. It takes you into the mountains and through the quaint hilltop village of Volimes. Signage can be a challenge in Greece, so be on the lookout for the right twists and turns in the route. We had taken the boat out to the site of the wreck that afternoon, but as is common late in the day in these waters, Poseidon tossed us some high seas that turned us back, so we headed out to the Overlook. I'd been anticipating this experience for years, and as the changing dramatic scenery signaled we were nearing our goal, my excitement grew. Sheer ghost white faces reaching down to the most incredibly blue waters, creating a color I've never seen in the ocean. An artist in Athens described it to me as Ionian blue, and I can't think of a better name for it. The first lookout, where the tour buses stop, offers a pretty cool first glimpse of the site, but there's only room for 2 at a time out there, so be ready to queue up and wait in line for the tourists who take their time to get just the right selfie. For a much better view, veer to the right at the stairs and take the 10-minute walk out to the headlands near the Greek flag. You won't regret it. The Russian ship, dubbed the Cigarette Shipwreck because it was rumored to be smuggling them at the time it ran afoul of the weather back in 1981, has begun to attract crowds from around the world eager to grab a pic, making it an Instagram sensation. I'm glad we experienced it this way first because for me, it's like meeting a movie star. They're way more impressive from a distance than they are up close. Oh, this is a real bucket list for me, the shipwreck at Navagio here on Zakynthos. I'll tell you, I knew this was going to be beautiful, but what I wasn't prepared for was the color of the water. The minerals mix with the blue waters around here and it makes this sapphire blue you've never seen anywhere else. It's absolutely gorgeous. Ionian blue. I don't think it gets much better. It really doesn't. Tomorrow we'd get out to the beach to take a closer look.